Another matter is a matter of iqbal al-ilm, rushing to knowledge, rushing to knowledge, beneficial knowledge, al-ilm al-nafi, beneficial knowledge, especially the knowledge of the usul of Ahl Sunnati wal Jama'ah. For it will be a fortress for you, and a fortress for me, and a fortress for anyone who has the principles of Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah. The matter is not a matter of confusion. It's not a matter left to the desires of men. When it comes to us, a warning against such and such individual from such and such place, by such and such name, from the inheritors of the Prophet, from the inheritors of the prophets, the ulama, may Allah preserve them. It should be from us. Sami'na wa ata'na. We hear and we obey. For we're not the individuals who can distinguish. We're not the individuals who have found rounded knowledge. We're not the individuals who know the book of Allah and its tafsir, who know the sunnah of the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam in detail and its explanation, who knows the principles of the sciences of Islam. So when they warn us, it would be stupid, it would be ignorant, and it would be from wrong or incorrect character for us to reject what they say, saying that maybe they have hasad or envy, or maybe the matter is not clear to them, or maybe they're doing this according to their desires. Now we fall into something even worse than we're upon. We're upon ignorance, and now connected to the ignorance, we now connect a mistake to the scholars and go into the intent of the scholars. Where's the respect for specialization that we have in the matters of dunya? Where's the respect to one who spends his whole life learning the book of Allah, learning the sunnah of the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, learning fiqh, learning the tafasir of Quran? Where's the respect? When he speaks, are you to listen? When he speaks, are you to be man and follow? Or it is a matter of emotionalism? Or it is a matter of infancy, of childlike behavior? But I love such and such, no matter what the scholars say about him. Well, he gave me access while I was close to him, while he used to respect me. All of these are nothing but excuses from Shaitan. The issue is, if we're like this now, where such and such error from the scholars, from Ahl Sunnah, can speak about a man, and we still sit with them, how will we be when they warn against the Dajjal? How will we be when they warn against the Dajjal? Yes, I hear them warning against the Dajjal, but let's go and see. Let me sit with him. And you all know the narration, or you all should know, that there will be those who will do so and will enter upon Dajjal in his sittings as a believer and come out following him. Come out following him and be a kafir. And be a kafir. The time is now to take a lesson and to listen to the scholars. The time is now to be men and stand up for the haqq, no matter who it irritates or disturbs. The time is now to show through our mawaqif, through our positions regarding Ahl al-Bidah and regarding the people of Hizbiyah that we're not for that.